Hi guys, following on from Monday night's webinar that we did for the private link network, how to build private link networks. That was webinar 5. We've got one more week to go, but I did promise I would do some additional videos around these strategies that I kind of revealed. It may be new for some people. Some other people who have been sort of around my training for quite a while know this stuff quite well anyway, using IFTTT to do automated Web 2.0 links, and also Google Plus link wheels using IFTTT and Google Plus RSS feeds. Okay, so basically what we're going to do in this video, and might even break this down into 3 or 4 videos just to make it really easy, is make sure that we cover how to do the Web 2.0 links in a nice way, so that we're doing stuff from WordPress, and from WordPress we're syndicating out so that the formatting looks nice, and so we can get maximum benefit as far as creating user-friendly content, but it will have a lot of SEO benefits as well. We can also cover doing Web 2.0 links as far as from WordPress and from YouTube, but instead of doing just direct links, direct syndication, so for example from WordPress to Blogspot, from WordPress to Digo, WordPress to Tumblr, etc., we can do this in a link wheel fashion as well. So it's all automated, and all you're doing is what you would normally do from your WordPress site or from your YouTube channel. So we'll cover that. I will do a separate post for getting Wikipedia links. That needs its own sort of post, it needs its own video. These videos that I'm doing now will not be on this page, okay? We've got this page where we got the replays. If you haven't seen the replays yet, you can find them all here. If you just go to anthonyhayes.me, you can either go into the website. For example, you can go, let's just go back over to anthonyhayes.me. I've just been playing around with some stuff there for making nice bonus pages for whenever I do make a product promotion, which I don't do very often these days, but we can do them nicely when we do. For example, if you're looking for the training for the webinar replays, you can either go here, tutorials, webinars, and you will find it there. Alternatively, you can just find it by following this link, anthonyhayes.me recommends /PBN replays. Okay, now if you do go on this page, I would really appreciate if some people would just give us a reshare, and I'll show you how to do that. If we come into, let's just follow the link here, tutorials, webinars, how to build a private blog network. I'm doing a little experiment with this. There's absolutely no backlinking being done. What I have done is I've asked some people on the webinars to give us a Google Plus share. If you scroll all the way down the bottom here, you can see here that we've got some comment section, and in the comment section, once you click on this, you can choose this here to also share on Google Plus. So if you could just say thanks or something like that. I mean, it does take hours and hours to prepare for these webinars. In those first 4 webinars, there was something like 7 hours of content, okay? There's people charging you hundreds of dollars for a lot less information. If you can just take that 5 seconds to tick that little box down here and give us a share and just say thank you or whatever you want to comment in here. If you've got a question, you can put it in here and we will respond to it as well, okay? And that way I can try to see the effect of Google Plus shares on rankings. Okay, now I kind of changed things a little bit the other day. I changed the URL up here, which meant it's a completely different page, so I had to do a 301 redirect from the old page. The old page was really just set up for the purpose of having a quick, easy place to put all the webinar replays, because we found on Facebook fan pages it just gets all sort of disorganized and mixed up, and it's far better just to put it inside a blog post. But I decided that to make it, to give it the best possible chance to see if Google Plus shares work, then I would change the URL and redirect the old one. I don't think we get any value from sort of 301 redirect when it comes to social shares, but you never know. You just never know. We do know that Google Plus shares are do follow though, if you do nicely. If you put in some kind of comment along with the share, then it makes it sort of do follow. Anyway, let's come back over to the slide here. So what I'm going to cover is how to do the instant Web 2.0 linking using IFTTT, and then I'll do a separate video for the Google Plus link rules, okay? And you can see how that's done just using an RSS feed, and I will show you how to create an RSS feed for your Google Plus profile, okay? And from that you can do a lot of different things as well. We can cover some of those areas as well, okay? So I will share today 3 strategies, so let's just dive straight into IFTTT.